Hey, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Biora Therapeutics, ticker symbol BIOR. And so I wanted to do a follow-up on this one at the close of the year with the closing price of $1.35 because I think some pretty interesting things happened the last two trading days of the year, and I think we are at a pretty exciting level starting the new year. I'm hoping that we see a breakout, but it's possible we will see a breakdown. And so, looking at the chart, what we have here is the red candle was the candle for the day on December 29th, the last trading day of the year, in which price went down by about 3.5%, starting above this white line here. That is a downtrending level of resistance, the top of a channel that price has been in for more or less the past, 6 to 7 months. So it's at a pretty important level. Also, I do want to point out that on Thursday, the high of the day on December 28th was $1.50. That was also tested on, December 13th. High of the day was $1.50. And going back to November 14th, the high of the day was $1.52. So there was a touch of $1.50. So I have that marked as this yellow line here. That does seem like it's going to be a pretty significant level, also a psychological level to break above. So hopefully we can do that the first week of 2024, but it is possible we will get a little bit of a breakdown because we are at that important level, potentially breaking out of the massive channel that we've been in for a very long time. Also want to point out the 21-day moving average is at $1.27.9, and the low of the day was $1.30. So that does seem like it did act as some sort of support. And also the yellow line up here is the 50-day moving average, which is at $1.52.3. And so that is pretty similar to the yellow line I have drawn at $1.50. Again, key level. But moving forward, I'm going to take off the moving averages just so we have less clutter. Also do want to point out that because we have had this downtrending consolidation really since the beginning of November, we've had a lot of consolidation in the volume, a lot of price action traded within this range. So that does seem like we do have a lot of support below and right at current price. It does look like the volume shelf here is below current price. So hopefully we do see that acting as support with all of this trading action happening over here. In the last video, I do believe I mentioned this red line at $1.15, which represents the lowest close. So ideally, we don't see any closes below that. If we do in the start of 2024, I would expect that the bottom of this channel might be tested again, so we might see further downside. I do have as well this Fibonacci retracement based on the pre-market low and after-hours high on November 30th when price squeezed up to $2.32. And the price of $1.35, the closing price of the year, is right around the 786 retracement at $1.36.1. So it is unfortunate that we closed below that. But if we consider, the first few trading days of the year, we are going to be right at the top of this channel. So I do think it is quite possible that we do see a breakout to test $1.50 and possibly $1.56.6, which is the 618 retracement of the Fibonacci from November 30th. And then so I just wanted to take a step back to zoom out so we can see this full channel that we have been residing in since going back to, the end of May. So I think it will be very, very significant if we do see upwards action in the first week or two of the new year. That would suggest a breakout of this channel, and then we could really start to revisit levels that we haven't seen in months. But if we do see more downward consolidation, it's possible that we could see a breakdown. However, this downtrending consolidation that we see, those tend to break to the upside. And so with that converging with the top of this channel, I do think that we could see a breakout in the first couple weeks of the new year. So I'm really hoping for that, but I'm also prepared to get more shares at a discount if it does go down. And so, those are my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.